Hey guys, welcome to CTE Tuning. In today's video, we're gonna be going full send, no traction at all. Just hitting these windy canyons, seeing what this thing can do. And yeah, let's see what this bad boy could do. Okay, traction control is completely off. Put on our windows. Here we go. Let these guys go a little bit. We'll be doing manual driving pretty much. If you're new to the channel, my car has a mid-muffler delete. It's completely stock other than that. And you know, when you do a mid-muffler delete, you can do good things like this. It makes that awesome noise. But here we go. This is a very fast car. If you're looking to buy a Scatpack, it is a fast car. I am used to driving, you know, other cars though. You know, this is the only sports car that I own, but I've driven over $2 million worth of different sports cars, high-end sports cars, exotics, and it starts to get really fun and also dangerous at around 600 plus horsepower. But this has 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pounds of torque, and it's still amazing. It's an amazing car. It's not really a track car. Yeah, it handles well. You know, if you just mild spiritedly, I think you'll have fun. when you have a mid muffler delete, really and truly, you don't have to always constantly be flooring it to have fun. Just that, like that little whip that I made, all you have to do is this and you're having fun. Just drive in the car normal, and right there, it actually makes it safer for you because you don't always have to race the car. You just drive and enjoy it. And you have those little crackles and pops. It's so nice. You have to do a mid muffler delete on this car. And I cannot lie, this car sounds absolutely amazing stock, but it just makes it more alive with the mid muffler delete. What a fun car. Gonna have to tone it down a bit because now we're going into the city. That guy told me send it, so I delivered. That's funny. You know, I always hear everyone say you get crazy reactions when you drive these Mopars around and whatever. I do know that is true. It's just, I don't ever drive this car. It only has 880 miles right now. So, you know, I don't ever drive it every day for that to ever happen. That was like the first time that ever happened to me just now. The guy was like, go, go. Well guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.